The ETaker M2000 Power Station is a portable power station that provides a reliable source of power for a variety of uses. It features a 2 kWh capacity, 2 kW output power, and multiple charging options, making it suitable for camping, outdoor activities, power outages, and emergency situations. Key features: the ETaker M2000 packs a 2 kWh lithium-ion battery, providing enough power to charge smartphones, laptops, tablets, and other electronic devices multiple times. The M2000 delivers 2 kW of continuous AC output power, enabling it to power appliances, tools, and other devices with higher power requirements. The M2000 offers a variety of charging options, including AC charging, solar charging, and vehicle charging. This versatility ensures that you can power up the station even in remote areas or during power outages. The M2000 utilizes GaN inverter technology, known for its efficiency and lightweight construction. This technology contributes to the M2000's compact design and reduced energy loss during power conversion. The M2000 features multiple output ports, including AC, DC, USB-A, and USB-C, allowing you to connect and charge a wide range of devices simultaneously. With its lightweight and compact design, the ETaker M2000 is easy to carry and transport, making it an ideal companion for camping, outdoor adventures, and emergency situations. Here's a summary of the pros and cons of the ETaker M2000 Power Station. Pros: 2 kWh capacity for extended power usage. 2 kW output power for running essential appliances. Multiple charging options for versatility. GaN inverter technology for efficiency and compactness. Multiple outputs for connecting various devices. Portable design for easy transportability. Smart app control for convenient monitoring. Built-in safety features for secure operation. LCD display for clear status information. Cons: price may be higher than some basic portable power stations. Initial setup and configuration may be required. Some users may prefer a higher capacity power station for more demanding applications. Overall, the ETaker M2000 Power Station is a well-equipped and versatile portable power solution that caters to a wide range of needs. Its combination of power capacity, output capabilities, charging options, portability, and safety features makes it a valuable addition to any emergency preparedness kit, camping gear, or off-grid power setup. As portable power stations continue to evolve, the ETaker M2000 stands as a frontrunner, offering a reliable and sustainable source of power for various applications. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.